I'm just you. Come and cook with me. I'm just you. Come and cook with me. I'm just you.
Alright, y'all, she needs no introduction. We back here in the house, in the building. Y'all ready? Just T about to make me the cowboy steak of the year. Go, do it. Come on, y'all.
Hey everybody, what's going on? It's your girl Just T. That was my awesome husband. That's my awesome husband. But yes, he has it right. I'm about to make him his favorite thing to eat, which is steak, and he loves the tomahawks. So I got him covered. I'm gonna share this recipe with y'all. Don't need much seasoning. First of all, you do need your tomahawk steak, right? Nice. This is about a 3-pound tomahawk steak we have right here. So only thing I did was I went in and I cut off some of the excess fat. There's still a little bit on there. Some of that fat will render off, but if it's really thick on there, then you want to get it off. You want to cut that off. Then I went ahead and went in and patted it dry with a paper towel. All right. So seasoning wise, real simple seasonings. You can do this with salt and pepper, some garlic powder. That's basically all this seasoning has in it.
Wait, hold on. I got a quick question.
Yes.
Why do you pat it dry? What?
You want it dry because you don't want it wet. You don't want to have it wet when you put it on that grill, because we're going to be grilling this, babe.
Okay. So what that do if it's wet? I don't know. I don't know how to cook it. I don't know how to eat it.
See? That's why I was trying to have him do this video. He didn't want to do it, though. Which he could. He could do it. He could do this video. He could do it. He really could. Even a caveman could do this. But anyways, you guys, so I'm going to be using this steak and chop seasoning. Now, again, I've told you guys before, you can make this seasoning yourself at home. All it is black pepper, garlic powder, and salt. Now, this isn't really salty, so I'm going to add a little bit more salt to it, because when you're making a big steak like this tomahawk steak, you want to put some seasoning on it. You feel me? You don't want to be sprinkling a little bit of seasoning on there. You want to put some seasoning on there. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm not measuring. I'm just going to season this really, really nice. Now, with the bigger steaks, you can be very generous with your seasonings. All right? So I'm going to put some of that on here, and also put some salt. Because like I said, this has some salt in it, this seasoning, but it's definitely not enough for me. It's not enough. So... and you want to season all sides. I also have my grill going outside. And once I get done seasoning this, guys, I'll take you guys on out there.
Hey, I didn't mean to upset you.
Under interview, you can sneak off.
What are you talking about?
I heard there's a coyote. Takes people to someplace safe. Oh, maybe we can make it all the way back to my beach. They pick people up from a bus station. On Highway 12, near Pennington. It could all be bullshit, but they don't have a dream.
Hey, let's rush.
Now also, guys, with this steak, when you're seasoning your steaks, you want to get the seasoning all over the entire steak. The sides, you know, everything. You want all that to have some flavor on there. I also have a smaller ribeye that's going to be for myself that I'm going to season up the same exact way. Now, about to season up my ribeye, same exact way. Same exact way. Now with this one, you want to be a little bit less generous. I mean, I still like my steaks to have some seasoning on it, but I don't need to put as much as I put on that tomahawk. The tomahawk steak is definitely a lot bigger. All right, guys, and then we about to go ahead and get these babies right up on the grill. And we're going to do what they call a reverse sear with both of these steaks. So a reverse sear is going to be when we take these steaks out. We're going to put them on the grill in direct heat. We're going to bring these up to temperature. Now, me and my husband, we like our steaks to be medium well. I like a little bit of pink in there. I don't like well done because you kind of cook all the flavor to me out of the steak. It's not juicy. You're going to dry it out. So we like medium well. So I'm trying to get a temperature of about 124, 125 on both steaks. I want it to be somewhere around in there. Then we're going to take them off on indirect heat, and then we're going to just fire up that grill and just sear them, pretty much. That's pretty much it. All right, guys, so I'm going to meet you guys back outside. We're going to go ahead and get these babies right up on that grill and get it going. Okay, guys, so we're back, right? And I went ahead and I got those steaks on the grill, indirect. And the way I have this set up is I have two big behind rocks in the middle acting as a barrier. I have my hot coal or charcoal on the other side. And with the tomahawk steak, I have that bone facing toward that way. I don't want to turn my steak. You know, I don't want this end to be at the other end. That bone, I would rather have that bone turned that way. So I'm going to let these go for about an hour, and then I'm going to come back out and I'm going to check them. But I'm going to actually check them probably within about a half an hour. I'm going to come back out, check them. I don't want to move them. You don't want to move your steaks. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up, and I'll see you guys back maybe in an hour, half an hour. I'll let you know. It's just tea.
Here it is. Where it go? Oh, there you go.
So I need to let you guys know the only thing that I did come in and do, and you can see on the top, is I put some garlic butter on top of these steaks. So what I'm about to do now is I'm about to temp these. I'm sure it's been like an hour and about 15 minutes so far, and I'm sure this one is going to be where I want it to be at. I can tell by the way that it looks. I'm looking for, though, oh shoot, oh yeah, I'm looking for a temp like 120, yeah, 127, 124, between 123 and 127. So this steak right here, I'm about to take this one off. That's the smaller ribeye. Now this tomahawk, let me see where it is. And you want to put your thermometer in the thickest part. That just need a couple more minutes. I'm trying to get this one right here. 123, 124, 126, not over 127. Hit that temp so they can see that. So it's at 112. So I'm about to take the smaller one off, guys. And I'll be back when it's time to sear them. Because we're going to go ahead and get this ready. So it's been an hour and about an hour and a half now. All right, bring you guys back in a minute. All right, guys, so we're back, and I'm about to go ahead and temp this tomahawk, which I'm sure it should. I'm trying to do this. Oh, shit. Without my cameraman. Should be about where we want it. Yeah, I am. I'm trying to temp it. Still got just trying to get this to.
So I need to bring this. Look like it
almost
need
there.
to be burnt.
It's gonna be burnt, babe. What you call burnt? We gonna sear it. Got a couple more degrees to go, so we almost there with that one.
100 degrees up in this
Babe,
motherfucker.
stop! Watch out! It's supposed to be hot.
Woo! That's a goddamn fire.
Stop. Okay, y'all, welcome back. So I went ahead and took that tomahawk off. Got some more charcoal on here. Now we about to get the show going. About to sear these mugs. Almost crushed. I'm gonna just sit that on there. Don't be scared of it. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Gonna sear them. Now, when you got that steak on there, you want to leave it alone. Just let it go. It might look like it's hot. It ain't really hot. No, that is hot. It is. But you want to just leave it alone. Let it go. For at least about 2-3 minutes. You want to just leave them alone. You don't want to do nothing to it. Don't touch it. Don't move it. Don't talk to it. See, ain't even looking at it. I ain't even looking at the steak. Don't look at it or nothing. Just let it go. Just like that. You want to get a nice sear on it. And you're going to get a nice sear on it when you leave it alone. Just let it go. Leave it alone. And leave it alone. And in the meantime, you can go ahead and have yourself one of them. Just leave it alone. Just leave it alone right now. Anything you want to add, babe? Because you over here looking at it like it's hot. And see, too, look. Because see, the smaller one, you're going to go ahead. Look at that. Flip that smaller one over. See there? Look at that. Ha! Come on now. Leave it alone. Let the steak be a steak. You're going to flip that tomahawk over in a minute. But you don't want to move your steaks around too much. Now I'm about to go ahead and flip this tomahawk over. Because this joker hot. Look at that. Oh, boy, come on, man. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. That's all you got to do. Because it's already cooked inside. We just want a nice little sear on it. That's all you're doing. Go move that around a little bit just so I can get my little cross marks on it. But other than that, you want to just let these steaks alone. They're already cooked. They are. Look at that. Boy, look at those sear marks right there. Oh, what? 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 Just leave it alone. It's hot. You put your hand in the fire. Just let that steak go ahead and do what it's supposed to do. It's done though. All you're doing is searing it. Gonna go ahead, get these steaks off, y'all. And when we come back in the house, I'm gonna bring y'all back. All right? Go ahead. Talk to me. Talk to me nice. 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 Or don't talk to me at all. Yeah. Sorry, I thought that I was recording inside the house once I took the steaks off the grill, but I actually was not. I am so sorry. My recording was already filled up and I needed to delete some things, so I apologize, but the steaks really did actually come out good. So I do have pictures. Stay blessed.